Hi, my name is Dr. Doretta Spates. I am a nurse practitioner at Infinity MedSpa. Here, I practice with BioT hormone therapy, male girth enhancement, O shots for women, as well as dermal fillers and neurotoxins. Some of the benefits of pellet therapy or BioT hormone therapy for men is that they get a better libido, you get more energy, less fatigue, sleep is enhanced. Some of the benefits for women of pellet therapy are sleep enhancement, libido increased, as well as mood and fatigue are also eliminated. Some of the benefits of the male girth enhancement are it increases the length and the girth of the penis, as well as the sensitivity of the penis. Also, with Scrotox, we can add Botox to the scrotal sac, lessening the wrinkling effect, as well as enhancing sensitivity. We have the O shot for women, and with the O shot, we are allowing more sensitivity in the vaginal walls during activity as well. Also increasing moisture for the woman. Hi, Stuart. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
So I understand you're coming in today because you're interested in some dermal filler, particularly under eye.
Yes.
And also maybe other areas that you wanted to talk about today and see what we could do to help that. Is that correct?
It is, yeah, sure.
Okay.
So, I'm 51 years old. I guess I'm looking in the mirror every day and starting to feel and look that my face is starting to age a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
It's starting to hollow out under here, and my eye bags feel like they're getting big.
Okay.
So I was told that if I was to come here, that perhaps you guys might have something for me.
Absolutely. So I want you to look in the mirror and tell me what else you see that, kind of bothers you, because you're correct. As we age, we start to lose volume. We start to get wrinkling of the skin. And with that loss of volume, we start seeing folds of the skin. So is there anything else that you see that you would like me to also take a look at to see if we could correct it?
Definitely under the eyes. There's something you can do there.
Okay.
Perhaps this. I'm not sure what you call
yes,
that.
That's between your eyebrows or glabella is what we call it, glabella area. Yeah. Okay.
And I guess I'm starting to look at a little sort of this line.
Losing some volume there. Yeah.
Yeah.
I would agree.
I think apart from that, okay. I mean, it's mostly the eyes that I'm most concerned about.
Yes. Okay. So now that you've told me, I'm going to take a look and I'm just going to do an assessment of your face, which is what we normally do here at Infinity MedSpa, so that we customize the treatment for you. Okay. Because everybody's not going to be the same. So as you were saying, as we age, literally every 10 years, we do start losing volume. And as we lose volume in our face, and that means fat pads are lost underneath the skin that you and I cannot see with the naked eye. Also, you get some bone loss. By the time you're 50, because you're 51, you've lost about from 30 to 50, 20 years in that process. Right. So you can imagine, it takes some time and effort to kind of bring that liveliness back to our faces, right? So the first thing that I look at is the quality of your skin, okay? So I see wrinkling, like you said, here in the glabella area. I also see wrinkling on your forehead. You've got some forehead lines there. And then also you've got lines around your eyes. And I will tell you, a lot of guys are okay with the lines around their eyes because they feel like that's character. However, if you don't, if you're particular about those, we can use neurotoxins to also take care of those. So what's neurotoxin? So we're talking about Botox, we're talking about Dysport, and we're talking about Jeuveau. And basically what those things do is they help smooth out those wrinkling because they go in, the molecule goes in, and it actually paralyzes, not like you're paralyzed, but it paralyzes the nerve where it doesn't allow the muscle to move as much. And that causes the skin to not wrinkle as much, but become smoother. Okay. So I would recommend that for your forehead. And then also.
Is that Botox?
That's Botox.
Okay.
So that would be Botox. Here we use Botox, Jeuveau, and Dysport. They all three are the same. They all three are neurotoxins. They all three do what I just said. They help to smooth the wrinkling of the skin by stabilizing the nerve. So it's just one is not superior of the other. It's just what you consider as far as cost. They do have different cost points. And then also where, like the Jeuveau, for instance, Jeuveau, it's known more so for the forehead lines or the line between your eyebrows, the glabella area, the frown or the number 11s. It helps to stabilize that better than the other two.
Okay.
So that's something, we could consider. So the tear trough, which is your under eye area, right? You said that bothers you as well. So in there, I would say we could do Versa. We could do Volbella, Juvederm Volbella, which is an Allergan product, has just been FDA approved for under eye treatment or tear trough treatment. So that also, and that's filler, that's dermal filler. So that's different from your neurotoxin. Okay. And then as we come down further, I agree with you, your lines, your smile lines around your nose area, and then also here a little bit in the mouth area. We could also use dermal filler to correct that. So again, filler or the dermal filler is a gel, whereas the neurotoxin is a liquid. So if you're filling something or a filler, you want gel to fill. So that's the difference between the two. So that's what we would offer you for the tear trough area and then also the lines around your mouth. As you can see, Stuart has numbing cream now here. I've applied. That's numbing cream. So we also did some around the crow's feet area. And then also we're going to do for the under eye area. And then turn this way for me. And then on this side, again, we've applied numbing cream. Smile real big. Big, 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 like sun's in your eyes. See that? Okay. So with the neurotoxin, it will help to ease up these lines, as you can see. And then also the under eye area, those bags will be filled in. So when we're done, this should all be smooth and lifted. So here at Infinity MedSpa, we offer services to anyone as young as 25 years old, all the way to 100. It just depends on what you're needing and what your needs are with wellness and aesthetics.